Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the Weedeater string. First of all, you need like a knife or something to cut the Weedeater string with. And you need the Weedeater string, and you need, what I always use, put on these, there's like 20-30 bucks. Or a lot of times it comes with the Echo quick change head. Here's what you do. You want to look inside, and this L right here, it has to be facing up. So see, if you have it with the R, it's not going to work. Too many times I've seen people change their Weedeater string and this R's down or this R's facing up, and then the string just comes out. So this has to look like this, L facing up. And I'll show you how fast you can change the Weedeater string. So first of all, here's what you do. This is just a regular .95, and what I do is I do this. So I'm like about 6 feet tall, and so what you do is you do this because your arms are about as long as you are tall. So you do this once, twice, three times, and then you cut it right there. And what you do is you see where the entry is, you put it through, you pass it through, and then you put this on there like this. Let's see. Yeah. So you put this on there like this, and what I always do, let's put it on the ground here. What I always do is I grab it like this, see? So it's even on both sides. And then I get it, and I just do this. Grab this here, and grab this here. And if you like it like that, about that long, then you can keep it like that. But you can easily see how you can change the whole thing in like 30 seconds. It's pretty quick. You don't have to be there for 5 or 10 minutes doing it. And so so it looks good. Or if you want to twist it one more time, you can. So that's how you do it. There you go.